I just think about like what setups I want to do, and I just think about all like the hard work that I put in, so I'm not nervous, because it's easy to get nervous when you're wrestling just because you don't know like, oh, what is this person gonna do? And I just think about all the work I put in.
So the ritual is to put my headphones in full blast up until I'm the next one up. The next one up, I'm pacing, I put my headgear on and just kind of think about the one thing that needs to get done.
What I'm thinking is how I'm gonna find my angles and what shots I'm gonna shoot and which ways I can get turns and just the things that I'm gonna be doing throughout the match. And I just have my headphones on and try and keep myself calm.
But mainly I'm just kind of telling myself to be calm and wrestle like I know how. You know, I'm a senior, I've been doing this for a while. I pretty much know how I need to go out and wrestle. Wrestling is a very personal sport, you know. Wins are very personal, losses are very personal. I think a lot of people get real nervous before their matches. I try to just be calm and go out there and wrestle and not worry about it too much.
Out of all things, like why I chose wrestling is because I saw potential in it. I like the hard work and determination. Like everybody's really determined in this sport to go out there and put the work in against everybody else.
I love wrestling because it's such a sport that you have to put a lot of hard work and effort into to see results. And it's something like you can't just like show up once a week and be good at it.
Going to practice every day, it's a lot. You know, wrestlers put a whole lot into this sport. It really does build character. It's matured me as a person. I remember freshman year, I used to get real upset. I wouldn't want to talk to people. I was kind of devastated. Now when I lose, I can move on pretty quickly. And I'm a lot more mature and I'm able to kind of keep going.
So I'd say I've grown definitely in school spirit. I usually have on my Aledo Wrestling gear all the time, got on my pants usually.
I always try to present myself as the best athlete I can at meets to be all in Aledo, and I also always try to tell my teammates, like, we wear that Aledo on our chest, we gotta present it well.
My favorite aspect of wrestling is definitely making myself and others proud. I also love my team. Everyone's extremely supportive.
And it's just amazing. Like there's nothing else to say about it. It's just a really good program, and we've been able to put a lot of kids in here. We have a great work ethic. If you want to better yourself, come on, join wrestling. It's a lot of fun.